Well, today we start our journey north back home to Michigan. One major hiccup, our hitch on the pickup has dropped at an angle and we cannot get the ball properly located within the trailer hitch. I can't do it. My husband can't do it due to his injuries that he sustained many years ago. So I've had to rely on wonderful other campers. They just, they're wonderful. They realized we were having problems, and we've got 3 men that are going to be coming over and fixing it for us. They definitely look out for their seniors, they're disabled. They're just a wonderful bunch of people. So come along with us on our journey. Once we get this hitch fixed, we'll be on the road.